Hey guys, it's Sprout. I'm back from that video. Today we're getting into something that I haven't opened a lot of on the channel. It's actually the set that kind of got me back into Pokemon, watching other YouTubers like Leonhard open them. The set I'm talking about is Unbroken Bonds.
Yay!
I have opened some on the channel, but usually I open like Elite Trainer boxes and booster boxes for the sets, but I haven't touched any of these ones actually. Just random packs that I found in tins and stuff like that. So we're searching for the Charizard and Restaurant in this. So hopefully we can get it. We have 7 packs, so pretty good chance hopefully. Not that great of a chance, but better than one. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into the first one. Oh man, I'm really hoping we pull something good. Broken Bonds, I heard and I seen that the pull rates aren't the greatest for. It's hopefully we have better luck than most people do with them. But it's probably not going to be the case. My luck's not the greatest. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got Darkness Energy, we got Electromic Radar, Frogadier, Beast Bringer, got Growlithe, Cubone, Riolu, Porygon, Inkay, Togekiss, Reverse, and a Marowak is the rare, non-holo. So nothing in that one. Is that Togekiss a rare though? Yeah, we got a reverse rare on the Togekiss. It's not too bad. At least it's something, but not that Charizard. Check out the reverse we got. Togekiss.
The Togepi?
Togekiss.
No.
It's the it goes Togepi, then Togetic, and then Togekiss. Alright, let's get into the next one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got a Water Energy, we got Chatterbug, Energy Spinner, Torracat, Doduo, Spritzy, Gligar, Ghastly, Gorvin, a Crobat, I think that's a reverse rare too. And we got a full art Persian GX.
Yay.
Nice. It's a little off-centered, and there's some whitening in the top corner. Right there. Will that come off? No. So that's probably not going to get a 10 if we sent that in. Let's leave. Put you there. But still a beautiful card, nevertheless. And I think Crobat is a rare. And it is. We got another reverse rare. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get into the third pack. Different pack art this time. Sylveon! Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got a Leaf Energy, Poliwhirl, Evolution Spray Z, Metapod, Sandile, Meowth, Corbin, Geodude, Ledinen, Seal, and a holographic Togekiss. So we got the reverse and the holo.
Yay!
And it's really off-centered. Check out that.
We could probably get a...
That might be if I sent that in an OC. Like, that is really, really, really off-centered. That's crazy.
I'm eating honey peanuts. Honey peanuts.
Alright, Togekiss. Go join the VIP section. As Nate calls it, Breaking Nate. Definitely recommend watching his channel. He makes some good content. And he's trying to work with smaller YouTubers, so hopefully one day we can do a collab. That'd be it.
Yeah, Leonhard.
No, I was talking about... See, she doesn't even pay attention. It's so funny.
I heard you say Leonhard.
I said Breaking Nate.
Oh. Yeah, Breaking Nate.
She just randomly says stuff.
I was working. And I ate like all my peanuts.
1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got Darkness Energy.
Your name is YouTuber.
Polyworld.
I want to collab with you.
Gloom. Go Trio. Meow. Come on.
Focus.
Well, just sit here. Yeah.
I'll just sit here and have a full conversation while I wait for this to work.
Letting in. Brokey. That's a pretty cool... That's another reverse rare. We keep getting reverse rares. That's 3 reverse rares. But nothing in that pack besides that.
I want to really cool looking. I want to put him in sleep.
No, he's not really worth much.
But he's cool looking.
Alright, let's get in the next one.
I guess not. I guess you don't want me to. What did you want, Katie? I said you. Are you gonna... Uh-oh.
What are you doing? Get him down.
I wanted him to walk out. You always say the cat never comes into your videos.
This one feels like it was extra glued.
And he was trying to come into your video.
No, he was trying to knock down everything.
No, he was trying to come into your video.
Alright, let's get on the next one. The code cards are always switched, so I don't understand. Like, every pack was different. So I'm trying not to spoil it, because they do the green card. And if you have a green card, it means you're not getting nothing. And if you have a white card, you get a hit. So I'm trying not to spoil it, but every time I try, it hits a different way. So, oh, Mewtwo, reverse. Nice. And we got a Vicable Holo. I'll probably sleeve that one. Sleeve this too.
A Mewtwo?
Mewtwo can go with all my other Mewtwo's on my Mewtwo.
You have a Mewtwo obsession.
Yeah, I like Mewtwo, Gengar, Charizard, and all that.
You know what my favorite Pokemon was when I was little? Jigglypuff, Jiggly. What?
No one likes Jigglypuff.
That was my favorite because it made my brothers go to sleep.
Yeah.
And then I could watch what I wanted to watch.
Alright, did it right that time. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So, Fairy Energy, Welder, Hunter, Crow, Hawk, Crabballer, Sandile, Oddish,
Zubat,
Chip, Ice Axe, and a Purr Ugly.
Oh no, was that everything?
No, we got another pack.
I got these really cool packs.
Last pack magic.
I want to get really cool packs.
Let me open this. Can we get some last pack magic? Nope, we can't, so it doesn't even really matter, so. Oh, nice. Game. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I am happy with the Gengar. I'll put that one in a sleeve.
Don't open them, but...
So
I'll be mad at you.
I'm not opening these. So the other day I picked up these because they're definitely going up in value, and I'm trying to start a seal collection. So I picked up a complete art set of Flash Fire, sorry. And yeah.
Doesn't even know the names.
I know the name of it. I said it wrong. I know. But yeah, I'm gonna keep them sealed, even though I really want to open them. But the value is just going up like really fast for these. So.
And it says ages 6 and up, and you are definitely not 6 years old yet.
No, I'm not 6, so I cannot open them. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I try to get like 12 likes for this one, and leave some comments on the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.